These 3 techniques are pure magic and they work instantly to help you raise your vibration and manifest what you want. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com. And if you're new, my channel is all about law of attraction, meditations, manifesting, and more. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss whenever I post a new video. So I'm sure you've heard of raising your vibration or becoming a vibrational match for something that you want to manifest or attract. I've even made a meditation on how to become a vibrational match for what it is that you want. I will leave a link up here and a link down below, so I've got you covered if you want to watch it. So let's start off with a powerful concept. Everything going on in your current reality, in this exact moment, is caused by your energy, thoughts, and actions. It's all being influenced by those 3 things. Your whole life is responding to you. So when people say that you're in charge of creating your life, or you're co-creating your life, or you're in charge of your thoughts and your feelings, it's because you are creating your life. No one else can do it for you. There's no outside force that's like using puppet strings on you, controlling your life and making you suffer or making you unhappy or not helping you achieve your goals. Everything in your life comes down to you. What you're thinking and what you're feeling and what you believe and how you act determines what you're seeing. So if you want to start seeing better things in your life, you're going to have to raise your vibration and start to think and act and try some new things. And if you don't believe me that your life is reacting to your thoughts, feelings, and actions, how many times have you thought about something specific and then you just constantly keep saying that thing over and over and over again? For example, last year I was looking to get a new car. I was torn between 2 options. And once I decided on the one that I wanted, I literally saw that car every single place that I went. I felt like everybody around me was driving this car. And while some people will say that that's a coincidence, or I only kept seeing that car because I was thinking about it and focused on it, so of course I'm going to see it everywhere. That kind of proves my point. Whatever you're thinking about and focusing on is what you're going to see in your reality. Because I was thinking about getting a new car and that was one of the front thoughts that I was having in my mind over and over again, that's what I kept seeing everywhere. I saw that car everywhere and I ended up getting that car. But where your attention and your thoughts go is where you'll see more of it. So if you want to see certain things or better circumstances or the thing that you're trying to manifest, what if you make it a thought that you also have a firm belief behind and you're feeling high vibrational thoughts about? I guarantee you'll start seeing it in your life. So direct your thoughts and attention towards what you want without placing any feelings of lack or, not having it yet. Just direct your attention towards it and start seeing signs of it in your reality. It's kind of a fun little experiment. So when it comes to vibrations and becoming an energetic match for something and being in a high vibrational state to attract the things you want, it kind of comes down to this. So when a lot of the people first find out about the law of attraction or they're just getting into it, they start off in this high vibe state of feeling excited and exhilarated and happy and anticipating creating their life and manifesting things into their life, and they're staying in this high vibrational state. Sorry, I think that was a dog. But then if they don't quite know what they're doing, or if they don't see immediate results, or if it doesn't happen exactly the way that they planned it in their mind, they immediately dismiss the law of attraction as not being real, or it doesn't work for them, or they did it wrong and they're frustrated, and then they immediately drop back into a low vibe state. So it's kind of like a roller coaster. They were up here and then they went down here, and how are they supposed to get back up here to manifest what they want? It's just sending conflicting messages to the universe. You kind of just want to be in that high vibe state. And obviously you're not going to be at this level all the time in your daily life. Yes, life is stressful, situations happen, things come up. You can't control that, and you can't just act like ignorant to what's going on in your life. But the more you can stay in that high vibe state, and whenever you're in one of those low vibe states, the more you can pull yourself out of it and get back to where you need to be, the more things you'll be able to attract into your life and the easier it will be. You don't want to keep bouncing back between low vibe and high vibe and low vibe and high vibe, because you might actually be blocking something from coming to you. It's like somebody trying to walk up and give you something you want, and then all of a sudden you just turn around and walk away and then wonder why it didn't happen. You gotta meet the universe halfway. You want to stay in that high vibe feeling to be able to easily attract what you want. It puts you in the energy of receiving. So the techniques that I want to show you work like this. Whenever you feel a thought come in or a feeling come in that's really low vibration, it just doesn't feel good about something you're trying to manifest. Say it's like doubt or fear or guilt, or it just feels like it's not happening for you and you start getting desperate. Any of those like low vibrational things that kind of creep in when you're trying to manifest something. That's what I'm talking about. I want you to immediately notice it, and I'm going to show you 3 techniques that are going to bring you right back to a high vibe state quickly so that you can get out of that energetic plummet and start manifesting what you want. So the 3 techniques all work the same, but there's 3 different ways you can do it based on what works best for you. So I like to personalize manifesting. I like to say that the law of attraction works for you based on your learning type, your personality, the way you understand things, the way you comprehend things, your mindset. It's very personalized, which is exactly why I teach it that way in my digital course, Abundance Academy. It's a way to approach manifesting with techniques that work for you instead of trying to do a one-size-fits-all, because that's not how life is, let's face it. So out of these 3 techniques, pick one that works best for you. You can try them out and just feel it out. Just see. There's no right or wrong answer. What works for one person might not work for you. All 3 might work great for you, and try them out. However you want to do it. It's up to you. It's your life. You're creating it. And keep in mind, these are all quick. I don't want you to spend 10 minutes doing this. I don't want you to dwell on it. I don't want you to keep thinking about it and contemplating and doing it over and over again. This is a quick, energetic shift. It's quick. Don't think too much about it. So in the first technique, the second you feel that kind of low vibe, energy, negative feelings, emotions, stuff like that, I want you to just quickly close your eyes and imagine that feeling, thought, whatever it is, just being quickly erased from your body. And imagine yourself being a clean, blank slate. Once you feel this clean slate, I want you to start choosing high vibe thoughts and feelings. Get excited about what you're about to manifest. Be happy, be grateful, do whatever you have to do to get back into a high vibe state. So you quickly just erase the negativity, picture a blank slate, and then fill yourself back up with high vibrational thoughts. Whatever that means to you, whatever feels good. Follow what feels good. You are clearing the energy. So the next technique uses sound to clear the energy. So for this technique, whenever you start feeling that low vibe, negative thoughts, feelings, dropping into that low vibe state, I want you to immediately clap your hands, snap your fingers, or make some kind of noise to clear the energy. Sound is a great way to clear energy. Some people like to cleanse the energy of their house by going around and clapping in the corners. So if that's something that resonates with you, clap or snap and just clear that energy. Take that negative thought and just clear it out with sound. Clapping, snapping, making a noise, clearing out that energy. And then again, replace it with high vibe thoughts or feelings. It's a quick shift. Just clap, snap, get rid of it, and move on. Maybe don't do it in public because you might look crazy, but you know, if you're alone in your car, whatever. I mean, to each their own. If you don't care, it's your life. Go for it. So the last option for this technique is to use an affirmation to clear the energy. So if you drop down into those feelings of why can't I have this, or why isn't my life like this, or this isn't working, it's not manifesting, I'm desperate, I want you to immediately stop and remind yourself that this negative feelings, these negative thoughts, they're not real. You have power over them. I want you to turn it around, and your affirmation is going to be, I can and I will. It's all happening for me. I can and I will, and it's all happening for me. All of those negative thoughts and feelings, they are a lie. You don't have to believe them. You have control of your thoughts. Choose a better thought. Get back into that higher vibe state. And the best way I can describe that high vibrational feeling and energy is excitement, anticipation, joy, happiness, bliss. It's almost like that feeling you get on Christmas morning when you already know you have presents under the tree and you don't know what it is and you're just really excited about it. That's how you should feel about manifesting your goals. You don't have to feel like that 100% of the time. That's not realistic. But just, plant little seeds throughout the day of anticipation, excitement, and joy, and stay in that high vibrational state as long as you can to really get some great manifesting results. Choose happiness and joy because that is your birthright. You are here to enjoy your life, not spend it miserable and struggling. I really hope that you try out these techniques to raise your vibration. And all in all, it'll just make you a happier person in general and help you get manifesting results. So it's a win-win-win, win-win-win. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video, and be sure to follow my Instagram at MKMagicMindset for positive daily motivation and inspiration, keep you motivated in a high vibe state. And check out my website, mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.